It's that time of year again, just a few months away for the biggest niche fragrance event in the Americas. And I got some exciting news about it coming up next. Welcome back everybody to Joel the Nose, and thank you again for watching, for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, guys, please go ahead and get me, click on that little subscribe button. I appreciate all your support. But today's video, it's going to be a short one, and just going to talk and remind you guys, for those of you who have not seen, Scentxplore 2022 was officially announced and released a few weeks ago. The website is up. You can go to it's Scentxplore.com. I'm going to put the links below. For those of you who don't know, this is the premier niche fragrance event run by Max Forte, one of course, the top influencers and just all-around great guy. For those of you who know him, have met him, he puts his heart, blood, and soul into this event to make it a truly community-wide event for everybody. From the brands like Amouage and Parfums de Marly, I mean, the biggest brands in the world, niche brands, to just all of us regular fragrance heads and lovers, influencers, everyone. This is the fourth event. This is the fourth year. The last 2 years were virtual because of COVID, so this is the first time it's back live in person, December 2nd and 3rd in New York City, in the kind of like, Midtown Times Square area. It's very centrally located. The exciting news, I will be back. I went 4 years ago for the first event, and that's when I just launched my channel, and I didn't know anyone. I had like less than 100 subscribers. Now I'm going back again for the second year in a row as a panelist. I'm going to be on one of the panels. I don't know yet exactly what I'll be talking about. Max is releasing the full schedule over the next few weeks, but I can tell you this, it's going to be exciting. Last year was so much fun to participate virtually, but this year I can't wait to be there in person. I'm telling you, for those of you who have never been, who didn't get to go that first time 4 years ago, it was amazing. I mean, it was, Demi Rawlings was there, Jeremy Fragrance was there, of course, Steven was there from Red Adolescence, Brooklyn Fragrance Lover, rest in peace, obviously Max Forte, just a ton of people. And everyone was just, you could feel the love in the room. And this year it's gonna be even bigger because this event has grown. And if you've never gone, if you've only gone virtually, that's great. And by the way, this year there is still a virtual option. So for all you people around the world, or even here that can't make it to New York, the virtual event, and again, let me just kind of give you the heads up on that because I want to give you the right information. And by the way, click on the link that I'm going to provide in my information below, and that way you can see and you can get signed up now. For all the people who want to get involved, click my link because I want to push as many people to this event because this is an event that I believe in with all my heart. And I'm so honored to be back as a panelist, as one of the influencers invited back by Max. It's just such a great guy. $165, just to let you guys know, for the VIP. That basically gets you 2 day, full day access. That's Friday, Saturday. Free samples from all the brands, the biggest brands in the world, I told you. There's gonna be giveaways, and then you actually, Saturday night, access to a VIP party. It's gonna be a very limited VIP party, open bar DJ. If you don't wanna do the VIP, you can do $75 for the in-person event. Again, that gets you access to the 2 days, to free samples, and then the giveaways. You don't have the after party. Now, for those, again, who can't do it live, you can go virtual. Virtual is $55. What does that get you? That still gets you that sample bag. That sample bag, for those of you who have done this, is way worth the $55 cost that you're getting, or the $65, or even the $175 if you're going, to the $165. I mean, if you're doing the VIP, you get samples from basically all the brands and even more. I can tell you, Max always throws in a lot more of samples and decants from the brands. You get to try so many great fragrances that you would never have access to. Niche brands that most people never have access to. You're gonna get access to that sample bag. Then there's the $25 virtual, which basically you get access to all the events, again, through the virtual platform. You don't get the sample bag. It's so worth it, guys. upgrade and get the sample bag. But you got to do this soon because it's limited. The first 1,000 US attendees. So also, if you're international, I guess it looks like you can't get the sample bag because it's, obviously shipping is too much of a pain or too much of a problem, I guess. But so it is limited, the Scentxplore sample bag, to the first 1,000 US attendees. And that's going to be both in-person and virtual. So these are going to go fast. He just put the website up. Again, the program with all the panels and the discussions are going to be listed very soon. Jump on this now. Don't hesitate. I'm telling you, jump on it now. The second year, when it was virtual, I signed up too late and I missed that sample bag. And I got to tell you, I missed it so much. I still use samples from the first year, 4 years ago, that I got. And it turned me on to so many great brands. I can think of like Kajal. I can think of, let's see, the Bois, was it Bois 1940? You guys know what I'm talking about. I tried their cannabis fragrance. So many great things. Jump on this. But the thing I'm going to end this with, Max, again, puts this on all year. He's working on this event for the community, for you guys, for me, for all of us. The love that you feel there when you step into this event and how much just camaraderie and admiration everybody has for each other, and talking and hanging out and getting together over something that is a real passion in our life. I cannot tell you how great an event this is to be there and to be in New York City during Christmas. I've never been to New York City during Christmas. It's been a bucket list item of mine to see all, of course, New York City just dressed up in the wonderful Christmas time decorations. I can't wait. And guys, I'm going to be there. So I just booked my plane flight. I'm going to be there. Join me. Be there. Sign up below with my link that I've, again, hit below in the comments or in my information. And let's hear some comments for those of you who have gone. Let's hear some comments from people who went the first year. Let me know your thoughts and everything, guys. Let's get around this. Let's support this event because this is something that is so good for the fragrance community and for all the brands and for everyone involved. I'll be back soon with another video. Peace, love, and perfumes.